Okay, so for the last part of our project demo, we're going to be showing you how to validate that the text actually worked on your Wireshark interface, which in order to prove that our intrusion detection system actually ran and actually did its job. So in order to do that, there are a variety of different commands that you can use. Let me share my screen. So the first, so you can see all the attacks that ran, is using eth dot source, two equal signs, and then your MAC address. Again, I don't have my MAC address included here for privacy reasons. But as you can see, we can see a variety of different attacks that have been ran. The TCP are the SYN flood. We can tell by looking into this, and we'll expand the transmission control protocol, and we're going to look for acknowledgement number is equal to 0. There's another way to also verify that this is an SYN attack, and that is by using the command. And this is my GitHub that is right next to here that I had the commands pulled up. So all the commands that you can use are also on my GitHub. We're going to use TCP flags.syn is equal to 1 and TCP act is equal to 0. So I'm just going to copy and paste that command, press enter, and then we can see all this is our SYN flood right here. So I'm going to start off two more different ways, as you can see, different attacks, such as the UDP flood, which I'm just going to copy the UDP and not DNS. I believe that works. Awesome. So we can see we start from we're going to start from here. As you can see, we can see a lot of different UDP being sent by the same source to the same destination, with the exception of this right here. And that's how we verify that our UDP attack has happened. And for the DNS, we're going to use UDP ports equal to 53 and DNS. Of course, it would be better if you look at the IP destination. However, I do not want to expose that. So, oops, let me clear that. And we can see it right here by the static queries. And also one more just for good luck. We're gonna start ICMP sweep, which I'm gonna just use the ICMP type is equal to 8. And now we can see different ping requests. So we can see ping request and no responses found has ran 5 times, and we can validate that by looking into our database. But yes, it has run 5 different our echo request has run 5 different times, and that's it. The other commands are listed on my GitHub, and I will also include in the project report. And that's it for our project demo. Thank you. Have a wonderful night.